Hello friends, today we are going to learn Mathematics Part 1, Standard 9, State Board, Maharashtra. So friends, in this subject, first lesson is a set. So in this lesson, we are going to learn sets, that is introduction, then type of sets, Venn diagrams, equal set, subset, universal set, intersection and union of sets, and number of elements in sets. So friends, let us recall. Here some pictures are given below. It contains the group of things you know. So in first picture there are the many flowers. In second picture bunch of keys are shown. In next picture, that is flock of birds. Next is piles of notebooks, and in last picture the collection of numbers are given. So in each collection given above, in all of the above example, we can clearly list the objects of the collection. We call the collection of such object as set. So here the all the objects in sets are clearly and countable things. So now observe the collection happy children in village, brilliant student of your class. In both examples, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms, because exact meaning of these words to be happy and to be brilliant are differ from person to person. Means we can't say that if we compare two students, we can't say this person is brilliant or this is not brilliant. Or if we compare some peoples, we can't say that this person is happy and this person is unhappy. So this collection are not a set. See example given below and decide whether it is set or not set. So first is that the days of week. Days of week, you know how many days in a week? You know days in week. How many days in week? There are 7 days. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are the days. So days of week, it is a set. Month in year, we know there are 12 months in year, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in year. So that is set. Third is brave children in a class. So this is not set, because we can't say which children is brave or which is not brave. So this is not example of set. Fourth is that first 10 counting numbers. So we know the counting numbers. Which number are said to be counting numbers? That is natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we consider up to 10 counting numbers. Okay. So that are the example of set. Next, fifth example, a strong fort of Maharashtra. So there are many forts in Maharashtra, and we can't say which fort is strong. So this is not a example of set. Then planet in our solar system. So this is a countable. Planet in our solar system, it is an example of set. So friends, now we say actual meaning of set. So let us learn. Set. Set. So there are two things consider in mind. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of given collection, then that collection is called set. Here, if we definitely and clearly decide, definitely and clearly decides the object of given collection is called sets. So means if there is a collection of any things and that collection are definitely and clearly, then that collection is called set. So generally the name of set is given using capital letters. So name of set is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to Z, and elements of sets are denoted by a small letter A, B, C. Now consider one example. If A is an element of set A, if A is an element of set A is element, A is element of set A, then we write it as A belongs to A and read as A belongs to A. If A is not an element of set A, if A is not element of set A, then it is written as A does not belongs to A. Now let us observe the set of numbers. So here are set of numbers are given. So we know n is denoted by natural numbers, and natural numbers contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. So this is a set of natural numbers. Secondly, the W means set of whole numbers, and in that set the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that way up to infinite. Third is set of integers, and it is denoted by I, and in that set the elements are 0, 1, 2 left on right hand side, and left hand side of 0 is -1, -2, -3. So these are the set of integers. Q is a set of rational number. Q is a set of rational number. Set of rational number is denoted by Q, and a set of real number is denoted by R. So friends, here we clear that which are the sets. When we definitely and clearly decide the object in that collection is called set. So in this example we definitely say that natural numbers, set of natural numbers, set of natural numbers. So in that set we definitely and clearly decide that elements in that set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. So this collection of number is called set. Now we have to learn method of writing sets. So there are two types of writing sets. First is listing method, and it is also called roster method. And second is rule method, and it is also called set builder form. So first we see the listing method. So in this method we write all the elements of set in curly brackets. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. So understand that each element in set is separated by comma, and each element is written only once. The order of elements is not important, but it is necessary to write all elements of set. Suppose consider one example, that is a set of odd numbers between 1 to 10. So which are the numbers between odd numbers between 1 to 10? Which are odd numbers between 1 to 10? So that's are 3, 5, 7, 9. This number can be also written as 7, 3, 5, 9. Means here the sequence of number or order of number is not necessary, but all elements must be written in that sets. So this set is written as capital letter A, it is denoted by set, and elements are enclosed by curly bracket, and all elements are separated by commas. If an element come more than once, then it is customary to write that elements only once. If the elements are occur more times, then it is not necessary to write them. Suppose remember is a word, and the letter between that sets are R, E, M, then E. So E is repeated, therefore we can't write E again. Now M is also repeated, we can't write M. B, and E is repeated, R is also repeated. So here in the word remember, the letter R, M, E are repeated more than once. So this set of letters, this word is written as A is equal to, in curly bracket, R, E, M, B. So this is called the listing method. Now next method is rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. So in this method we do not write the list of elements, but write the general elements. So friends, in this method we can't write the list of elements, but we write the general elements, usually variable followed by the vertical lines or column, and write the property of that variables. For example, A, set A contains the element x such that vertical lines, these vertical lines means such that x belongs to n and x is greater than 1 and x is less than 10, and read as set A is the set of all x such that x is natural number between 1 to 10. So in this set we can't write all elements and in this set, but only write one element, that is x, and followed by the property of that x. What is the property of x? X belongs to n means x belongs to n means x is a natural number, and x is greater than 1 and less than 10. So which are the elements greater than 1 and less than 10 and natural numbers? That is 2. So set A contains the element. Which are that numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and bracket completed. So these are the sets, and this method of is called rule method. So friends, in this video we have learned the sets, that is a bunch of keys, then here flower, then a flock of birds, piles of notebooks. ठीक है, उसके बाद देखा अपन ने सेट्स किसे बोलते हैं कि जिसमें जो एलिमेंट्स है वो डेफिनेटली एंड क्लियरली अगर अपन डिसाइड करते हैं तो उसको सेट बोलते हैं, और इस सेट में जो एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं वो हर एक एलिमेंट्स कॉमा से सेपरेट करना चाहिए, और जो फुल साइन से वो ब्रैकेट को इनक्लोज करना चाहिए। उसके बाद पढ़े अपन ने मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग सेट्स। सो देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग सेट्स, दैट इज लिस्टिंग मेथड एंड रूल मेथड। लिस्टिंग मेथड में जब अपन सेट लिखते हैं तो उसमें वो सेट्स के पूरे एलिमेंट्स ये जो ब्रैकेट क्रूली ब्रैकेट में लिखना है, और हर एक एलिमेंट कॉमा से सेपरेट करना है, और सेट को कौन से भी एक लेटर से डिनोट करना है, जैसे कि ये से अपन यहाँ पे डिनोट किया। अभी ये जो सेट दिख रहे हैं इसमें जो है ना ऑर्डर जो है उसकी, जैसे कि यहाँ पे 3 5 7 9 है, यहाँ पे 3 7 3 5 9 है, मतलब उसके ऑर्डर जो है, जो उसका क्रम है, जो उसका सीक्वेंस है, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी। वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो सीक्वेंस 3 5 7 9 ही होना चाहिए, उसको तुम 3 7 3 5 9 भी लिख सकते हैं, मतलब उसमें सब एलिमेंट आना चाहिए। दूसरी मेथड जो आपने पढ़ी है रूल मेथड। रूल मेथड में अपन क्या करते हैं, जैसे कि ये लिस्टिंग मेथड में अपन ने ये सभी एलिमेंट्स इसमें ऐसे लिखे हैं, वैसे अपन ये रूल मेथड में सब एलिमेंट लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं, एक ही एलिमेंट लिखने का, जैसा कि x, और x कैसा है वो डिनोट करने के लिए उसके बाद जो वर्टिकल लाइन आती है, जैसे कि ये ऐसी वर्टिकल लाइन है, ऐसी वर्टिकल लाइन, उसके बाद x क्या है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी लिखना है सामने। x क्या है, x बिलोंग्स टू n, मतलब x जो है वो n का एलिमेंट्स है, और x जो है वो 1 से बड़ा है और x जो है 10 से छोटा है। तो आपको पता है कि जो 1 से बड़ा और 10 से छोटा ऐसा जो नेचुरल नंबर है, नेचुरल नंबर्स मीन्स नैसर्गिक संख्या, सो विच आर देयर नेचुरल नंबर, दैट इज 2, 3, इसके बाद 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and these are enclosed by curly brackets. This is the rule method. This is the rule method. So friends, ये जो वीडियो है इसके माध्यम से आपको जो अभी तक आपने पढ़ा है वो समझ में आया होगा, ऐसा मैं सोच के अभी ये यहाँ का जो लेसन है यहाँ पे एंड करता हूँ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। बाद में मिलते हैं।